Hello, my name is Wynelle Cowdery, and I am one of three founders of Commission Ministries. We run an experience that we put together last year when we went away and spent some time with God called the 864 Disciple. This is 8 weeks of foundational, basic training that really gets you rooted and grounded in the word, and then we go from there to 6 weeks of training about leadership, gifts, the grace and truth, about our character, our competency, and the gifts, the fivefold ministry. And then we wrap it up with 4 weeks of practice where everything that the students or the disciples have been learning for the last 14 weeks, they will now put into action. And specifically, we ask them to go out. They have to lead 2 evangelistic missions, 2 missional events, and then they must speak in a group and share their testimony, as well as serve on 4 different occasions any activities that are for the church, whether it be on a Sunday or during the week, that will help the church. And this includes anything from intercession to cleaning the church. This year we ran this in Restoration in the city of Barranquilla. We started off with 167 registered, ended up with 120, graduated last Sunday 110 students who completed all 18 weeks of our experience. The greatest thing that I can share with you from that is now they are going out on their own. They have joined different ministries. They have also been serving on the streets, right from baby hospitals with cancer, seeing miracles, going in the clinics, leading worship and praying in every room, to an asylum for elderly and praying and leading them and cooking for them, sharing food. And also, we gave back the pastor 24 people who are now launching 12 house groups who have started this week. We have seen an amazing result from our 864 Disciple, and now thanking God for what we are doing with it in Africa and soon to be in Poland and many other countries. God bless you.